Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I will show you on how to simply unsubscribe to mail in Gmail. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are brand new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to open up your Gmail. Then having opened up your Gmail, next thing you need to do is to simply select a particular mail that you want to unsubscribe. So I'm going to click on this mail right here. Then the next thing you want to do is to simply scroll down, all the way down, all the way down. And then come down below right here, click on unsubscribe. And just like so, as you can see right here, unsubscribe successful. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to unsubscribe to any promotional mail on Gmail. I hope you really got value for this video. Find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.